People pay homage to 18 brave hearts who laid down their lives to protect integrity of Manipur on June 18, 2001 at Kekrupat Memorial. IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit says central leaders will soon arrive to resolve present conflicts of BJP-led state government. Forest Department sets on a mission to plant 10,000 tree saplings at Nomaiching to restore the hill. Fire suspected to have ignited from electric short circuit consumes properties of Wangai Higher Secondary School. And intense heatwave in Bihar kills 184 people. Government declares holiday for all academic institutions till June 22 and imposes Section 144 in Gaya district. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Lighting Monica with the latest news updates. People today offered floral tributes to the 18 martyrs who laid down their lives to protect the territorial integrity of Manipur on June 18 in 2001. Since early morning, people from different ethnic communities in traditional attires thronged the Kekrupat Memorial to offer their tributes to the martyrs. A public meeting was held at Kekrupat as a part of the commemorative event organized by the 18th The Great June Uprising Unity Day Observation Committee, UCM and AMUCO. Leaders of various communities of the state attended the public meet where discussions were held on the unity and territorial integrity of Manipur. Roads and markets in Imphal today wore a deserted look as people ceased one-day work to take part in the memorial event. Manipuri diasporas settled in Myanmar, Bangladesh and other places also attended the Great June Uprising Unity Day observance at Kekrupat Memorial Complex today. Speaking on the occasion, AMUCO President P.H. Deban called for joint effort in protecting the territorial integrity and indigenous inhabitants of the state. He asserted that the commemorative event is a proof that no divisive force can challenge the state. Condemning the Citizenship Amendment Bill, Deban stated that Manipur is still a victim to the divide and rule policy of the Indian government since its merger with the Indian dominant. He appealed to give up communal interest and join together for a united Manipur.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯒꯗꯕ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯒꯗꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯅ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯝꯗꯅ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯅꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯗꯤꯚꯥꯏꯠ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯔꯨꯜ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎ ꯄꯨꯊꯔꯛꯂꯤ ꯄꯤꯁꯇꯣꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯏꯁꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯎ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯥꯏꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯕꯥꯎꯟꯗꯔꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯀꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ 19 ꯖꯨꯟ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ UNCꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯗꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯗꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯕꯟ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯃꯤꯁꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯏꯇꯦꯗ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕꯗꯨ
Speaking in the public meet held at Kekrobat Memorial Complex, Vice Chairman of the Observation Committee cum UCM President Sunil Karam asserted that the sacrifice of the 18 brave hearts on this day in 2001 has kept the state intact till today. Sunil Karam maintained that only when the state is protected, justice will be served to the lost lives. Government officials cutting across party and members of various civil society organizations of the state and students paid floral tributes at the memorial. A candlelight vigil was held at the memorial complex in the evening.
Government of India without territorial limit July kun ketareta miang kallam ihoguna namkhairaga adu wai se handoki prithivida Manipur ki hauri be hose hena makhata na paringa ne lakani habse akoi thodani Manipur ki apun gi sakam sima thengna na mo khona ba matamda mapal gi min wayen ba mapal gi force ma thaja laga koi gi kaina na sinba sugum bagi wakhal se thado kana akoi gi apun ba sakam manglan punam to mangwi naraka na akoi gi asepat phire ba se lamina ka Manipur kanba Manipur yewlong mi ki punsirol se tek kaidana thamba ai ba wapam asigi tapsa phire ba ma lomina.
Voluntary Help Unit Committee organized a voluntary blood donation cum awareness camp at RIMS Transfusion Medicine Department on the occasion of the 18th, the Great June Uprising Day today. 61 volunteers, including 3 women, donated blood in the camp sponsored by State Blood Cell National Health Mission, Manipur. Speaking to media, President of Voluntary Help Unit Committee M. Subhash Chandra stated that the camp was held in homage to the 18 brave hearts who laid down their lives for protecting the unity and integrity of the state on June 18, 2001. Experts of RIMS Transfusion Medicine gave awareness to attendees on the benefits of voluntary blood transfusion in the camp.
2001 Manipur gi ngamkhai kaibe yaroi haiba ihoududa aso pan nangkhiba amadi thawaina pontha pikhrabe singi mafamda kai khumnaja butpa oina kathokjaba athoba singi mafamda kachaba I haina masi 18 suba blood donation camp akoi gi RIMS ki blood bank ka khusam naraga akoi ngasi mak blood bank asida ija koi pangthokjari masida lakpiriba blood donor sing amadi tongan ba sinphamda leiba silinau sing donate toba lakpiriba punamaku committee asigi maikaidagi hanna thagachaba phongdokjari.
IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit has assured that central leaders will soon arrive in the state to resolve the present conflicts of the BJP-led state government. The minister was speaking to media persons upon his arrival from New Delhi at Imphal International Airport today. He was in Delhi to meet national leaders of BJP with regards to replacement of the state chief minister. He expressed firm belief that central leaders will serve him justice over the recent removal of PWD and Power's portfolios from him. Assuring that the issue will be resolved at the earliest, the IPR minister expressed disappointment that some local media spread misleading information on political struggle over ministerial post in the state. He appealed to media not to publish news items without knowing the truth. Minister Biswajit stated that misleading information by media created misunderstanding among those in governments.
Akhoi party da akhoi punna dum lai aduga magi pamba pamdaba magi adugi adagi habduna tongan bam aduga dissident na khabar de ibase masi topio. We don't have any dissident and we never try to form any kind of the dissident. Aduga khabar kagaz na torkana praja myam da misunderstand tawba akhoi gi marakte hena disunity lainana ba tawbase masimo media sa topio haidana ai haijegen se kaktan ai afil oijege aduga akhoi marakta kano leite aduga magi apam atam the political leibo oigi oiba porta masi previous government da su leaders in basindaba adu tawba tawda je dum thokidaba nate. This is not the first phenomenon. See continuing when a lack of port money adubu magi karamba center ki leaders in national akhoi party have the quite gi sawba prithvi sawba well disciplined party ama leibani na akhoi decision have gi posak leite adu akhoi punamak chal manai aduga karam kanda afaba lakadagi have the center leader na afaba punamak by the time.
Meanwhile, Health Minister Lampolapam Jayant Kumar expressed that the 4 NPP ministers of the state might not be affected with the ministry reshuffle. He was responding to media query at the airport upon his arrival from Delhi, where he met NPP national leaders and union ministers of the new NDA government. Minister Jayant Kumar terms the current political crisis in the state as an internal conflict of the BJP.
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯥꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ BJP ꯀꯦꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯁꯃꯔꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯞ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯗꯤ BJP ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯀꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ NPP ꯃꯔꯤꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯦ.
Responding to media query upon his arrival from Delhi today, President of NPF Manipur State Unit, Awangbo Nyumai, asserted that NPF holds firm belief that the agreement between BJP and NPF alliance regarding allotment of ministerial post will be put into action.
Akoi sida demand kesu leite ko sarkar se payment na bagi akoi da ministerial bird hana ma pi ko na ma mo just to kya ba man lei adu sida ko na ani pio hum pio mari pio ha ba kesu leite adu moina thamki ba.
Communist Party of India CPI Manipur in a press release stated that some wards under Nambol Municipal Council charged 100 rupees for renewal of ration card under National Food Security Act NFSA bring much plight to poor people. It urged the relevant authorities to stop collecting the renewal fee. Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren met Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar and requested for central assistance under the National River Conservation Plan for rejuvenation and conservation of 9 rivers of Manipur yesterday. According to a press release from Chief Minister's Secretariat, Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren apprised the Union Minister of various undertakings of the state government for conservation and protection of forest and environment. The Chief Minister also highlighted on scarcity of water in hill districts and stressed on the need for rejuvenation and revival of springs catchment areas through recharging of underground water. Biren also stressed on the need to renovate Khongampat Botanical Garden, Ziribam Biodiversity Park and various other eco-parks. He also mooted development of eco-tourism and eco-museum at Siroi Hill Range on pilot basis. The Union Minister reportedly acknowledged the concerns raised by the Chief Minister and assured to look into the matter. State Forest Department under the aegis of Central Forest Division is on a mission to plant 10,000 tree saplings at Nomaijing Hill to restore the hill. Range Officer of Nomaijing Range Forest Office K. Momba led the tree plantation drive at Nomaijing Chingoi Baruni today. Officials of Nomaijing Range Forest Division, 50 members of Green Volunteer and locals of Andro planted 2,000 tree saplings around Liningthau Sanglane at Chingoi Baruni on the first day of the plantation drive. Speaking on the sidelines, Range Officer K. Momba stated increased felling of trees at Nomaijing Chingoi Baruni in recent years has deforested the hill. He maintained that the Forest Department and Nomaijing Range Forest Division initiated to green the hill once again under the supervision of Forest and Environment Minister Thongnauzam Syamkumar. The Range Officer thanked Green Volunteers and residents of Andro for their cooperation.
Machi punna machi di tawdaba yadabani akoi gi economic ki adagi akoi gi biodiversity gi leiba mayam sida climate change gi leiba mayam sida akoi jing gi asoiba ma leire haibase mayam sida di khangwada pambi sing gi asoba thawdang am leibani na akoi na masig ma thapa sing gi tawdaba yade honorable minister an jo ising tara thabiyo na harakudi akoi ju thana ba wone jabani koi uji leiba sing je numi humni na ta mari ni sangya adu 10,000 ji akoi uji target torga andogi barja sing yauna thana na baina akoi uji yang kan na wone jana sigumba khalni gi kahen dana ba
Fire consumed 2 residential quarters of teachers of Wangoi Higher Secondary School located near Wangoi Bazaar around 3 p.m. today. The fire is suspected to have started from an electric short circuit. Local residents and Wangoi police personnel tried to tame the fire using water motors. Manipur Fire Service finally arrived and put off the fire. About 20% of the teachers' quarter and some properties of the school were set ablaze in the incident. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on measures taken by Bihar government in the wake of intense heatwave which killed 184 people in the state. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Intense heatwave in Bihar has killed 184 people. Bihar government has announced holiday for all the academic institutions in the state till June 22. The deaths in the state of Bihar have been majorly reported from Aurangabad, Gaya and Nawada districts. Section 144 has been imposed in Gaya as the district records the highest deaths. Rate of hospitalized patients are also on the rise in the state. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has expressed concern over the deaths and announced a compensation of 4 lakh to the kin of victims. Meanwhile, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan termed the incident as unfortunate and advised people to avoid moving out of the house till the temperature drops. India is seeing its worst heatwave this year, with 4 cities in North India on the high record. Delhi, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh saw temperatures reaching as high as 48 degrees Celsius and above. Information and Broadcasting Ministry has issued an advisory to all private satellite TV channels for appropriate representation of children in dance-based reality shows. In its advisory, the ministry said it has noticed that several dance-based shows portray young children performing dance moves originally done by adults in movies and other popular modes of entertainment. These moves are often suggestive and age inappropriate. The ministry also said all private satellite TV channels are expected to abide by the provisions contained in Program and Advertising Codes prescribed under the Cable Television Networks Regulation Act and rules framed. As per the rules, no program should be carried on TV which denigrates children, and further that programs meant for children should not contain any bad language or explicit scenes of violence. Vice Chairman of Manipur Infrastructure Development Agency MIDA, O Lukhoi, inspected ongoing works of projects under Multi-Sectoral Development Program MSDP at Ukhongsang and Hairok Part 2 in Hairok constituency of Thobal district today. MIDA team led by the Vice Chairman checked the ongoing works of a 100-bedded hostel worth around 1 crore 80 lakh rupees and 8 classrooms worth around 1 crore 40 lakh rupees at Ukhongsang Maningching. The team also inspected the ongoing construction of an academic block, 400-bedded hostel, quarters for teachers and staffs, dining room and guest house of a model residential school worth around 25 crore rupees at Hairok Part 2. Speaking to media, O Lukhoi asserted that ongoing projects in the state under MSDP organized by the central government will be completed in near future to benefit children of the state.
MSDP Multi-Sectoral Development Program haidana Central Sponsor Scheme gi makhada adugumba Manipur da koi state sigi oina board hill and valley koi gi valley gina Thobal district sigi oiba mafam Hairok sida koi hojik total costs na 25 crore ni sida component tongan ma component laigre academy block adu koi institutional block total si hostel kai gra pullaga apun ba cost 25 crore gi project ni.
Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Naringbam Samarjit, unveiled a memorial stone today dedicated to 3 elders of Andhra who took major roles in preserving the cultures of Meitei community. The memorial was sponsored by one Mohammad Basir Ahmad from Ngarian Muslim village, who served as a teacher in the village for 30 years. Sanapokpa Chakpa Andhra Maho Birol organized the event at Andhra Market. Speaking on the occasion, and Samarjit stressed the need to preserve the ancestral Andhra village, which is embedded with historical remnants of the Meitei community. He also believes that the ancestral sacred fire still burning in the village will be a source of inspiration and strength for the community. Speaking to media, village chief C.H. Gandhar stated that the village has been preserving the antiques and culture of Meitei community.
Andro hariba mafam asai aikoigi Meitei amadi chingmi tami Meitei pangal akoi chingburoi tamuroi aikoigi damakta aikoigi yam maru oikraba mai mutana ngasisu lairiba akoi punamakna yokatpam thokpa adugumba lamdam almasu oiri ngasi aikoina discover tawba loidriba akoi tungda puthorokadaba mayam amasu tabu manungda yauduna leiri haibasi masigi kudam changdam salai holdings private limited na kupna akoi phangjai andro kobi lamnung asida akoi gi su masi saruk khara akoi yab matuk tai apunba pangal ama sagalakpada andro haiba mafam sina masidagi mai mutana ngasi buk leiribanina masigi mai asina chammaga akoi kanglei yekcha singi thamoinungda chukatuna masina langlaba maira ama ohenduna akoi gi malemda mikok thongna chatpada kanglei pak asina masi soidiramaki ohenba ngamgani.
Youths Club Brahmapur Imphal in a press release urged the relevant authorities to investigate the sounds of frequent gunshots heard at Brahmapur Aribam Lekai IMC Ward 18 High School constituency in Imphal East. Saiton Gram Panchayat in Kumbi constituency of Bishnupur district felicitated meritorious students under its jurisdiction today. Anoba Mangal organized the second meritorious award distribution ceremony sponsored by the GP at Laiba Ibudhau Apanba Community Hall in Saiton. 35 students under the Gram Panchayat who cleared 2019 Class 10 examination conducted by BOSM and 10 students who cleared 2019 Class 12 examination of COSM were presented with memento, stationery items and cash awards. Kumbi MLA S. Bira and Pradhan of Saiton Gram Panchayat M. Ibomcha graced the event. Manipur Senior Citizens Welfare Association held the 8th Foundation Day of the Old Age Home at Arubam Inkol in Mongsangai Makhalekai today. Various tree saplings were also planted at the campus of the Old Age Home run by the association on the occasion. 13th position holder of 2019 Class 12 examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COSM, Thogdam Yohenba from Mongsangai Mayai Lekai and his parents were felicitated with certificate of appreciation and cash award in the event.
Machado kitang theng lakpada chaba thakpa khangdagi ngaijeriba mama mapado machadna nupi na thiraga na nupi na injan mini khangde mai bopuni orpuni khangde mama mapado tanthorakpa thagoin tawidaba phubu chai bok yorokpudagi moi mayam je matam khara lehuriba matam chai gi matam khara je potha jarge lakpa adugumbagi namda potha bam thamjabani ahing nutin hajik mi nupi tara lei nipa trangwa lei mi kunmanga gi intek ne.
Proscribed Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release stressed the need for collaboration between the party and public to free Manipur. The proscribed party asserted that people have lost faith in national political parties in the wake of present turmoil in the state. Maoist Communist Party Manipur also criticized NEIDP, one of the regional political parties of the state, as a party based on eclecticism. It also warned of stern action against MPP, the oldest regional party of Manipur, if its existing controversy is ever found to be money-related. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. People pay homage to 18 brave hearts who laid down their lives to protect integrity of Manipur on June 18, 2001 at Kekrupat Memorial. IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit says central leaders will soon arrive to resolve present conflicts of BJP-led state government. Forest Department sets on a mission to plant 10,000 tree saplings at Nomaiching to restore the hill. Fire suspected to have ignited from electric short circuit consumes properties of Wangoi Higher Secondary School. An intense heatwave in Bihar kills 184 people. Government declares holidays for all academic institutions till June 22 and imposes Section 144 in Gaya district.